Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. Are you all happy? Okay. Which day is today? Okay, Monday. Which day is today? Monday. Look where I am standing. I am standing in the sky. I'm standing in the sky. Look, you can see many things here. Behind me, you can see many things. Can you say what are these? Yes, there are many stars and also a moon is there, isn't it? There are many stars and also there is a moon. When we can see the stars and moon in the daytime, രാവിലെയാണോ കാണാൻ പറ്റുക? No, we can see the moon and star at night, ratri. At night we can see the moon and stars. Okay, now I am here with a song with the star. Are you all ready? You have to listen to me, do action with me and say along with me. Ready? You have to listen to me, do action with me and say along with me. Ready? Okay. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. How is it? Nice to hear? Okay, shall we sing once again? Okay. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Once again, slowly I will sing, you also say. Okay, ready? Okay. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Say. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. What is it? How I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high. Yes, say once again. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Once again, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Okay, dear children, this rhyme is there in your textbook. Okay, please look that picture and sing. Ready? Okay, do you remember the pictures which I had shown you last week? Do you remember those pictures? I am just going to show those pictures. You want to shout loudly, what is that? Ready? Okay, look at the first picture. What is it? Correct. Teddy bear. I was singing a song for you last week, isn't it? Yes. What is this? Teddy bear. What is it? Teddy bear. Look at the next picture. What is it? I told you it is our national animal. What is it? Okay. What is it? Tiger. What is it? Tiger. Look at the next picture which your parents used to light when there is no current. What is it? Yes, torch. Then the next thing I know you all are very fond of. Okay, you all love those things. What is this? Yes, toys. What is it? Toys. Okay. Then look at the next picture which will go like this. What is it? Yes, train. What is it? Train. And the next picture which you can see nearby your house. What is it? Which has green leaves on it. What is it? Correct. Tree. What is it? Tree. What is it? Tree. Okay. Now next picture I told you everybody will be having this at your home. What is it? Yes. Table. What is it? Table. What is it? Table. And the next thing you just look here. What is this? You all used to see your favorite cartoons in it. What is it? Very good. Television. What is it? Television. What is it? Television. Okay. Now here is the next picture. You can say what is this? Can you say what is this? Yes, which we used to take the sand, stone, everything. Which is this vehicle? Yes, truck. What is it? Truck. And the next picture is here. Can you say what is it? Where we used to keep newspapers, magazine, everything, and it will be in our office room. What is it? Teapot. What is it? Teapot. Okay. Then next picture, look here. I had told you that this thing is used for a special game. Which is that game? Yes, tennis. So this is tennis ball. What is it? Tennis ball. Okay. Now look at the last picture which you had seen last week, which we used to pour tea inside, and we will pour like this. What is it? Correct. Tea pot. What is it? Tea pot. Okay. Then last week I didn't show you 4 more pictures in our textbook. 4 more pictures. I will just show you which are those pictures. You just look this picture. Look this picture. What is this? Can you say what is this? Yes, which we used to play. Very nice to see. It will rotate like this. What is it? Yes, top. What we'll call you may be calling it pambaram, but in English we call it top. What is it? Top. Okay. Then here is the next picture. Look at this, where we will open it and we will be getting water. I had told you had to wash your hands frequently nowadays. So we will be opening it and the water will come out. What is it? You may be saying pipe, but we will call it tap. What is it? Tap. What is it? Tap. Okay. Now look at my face. Here, look this. What are these? What are these? Teeth. What are these? Teeth, which help us to chew things. When we are eating something, we will be chewing it, no? The teeth help us to chew the things. Okay, so what is this? Teeth. Okay, then the last picture in your textbook I am going to show you. Look, what is this? Look, maybe your father or uncle or grandfather or grandfather may be wearing this while going for some parties or for some marriages. Some of your father. Okay, yes, can you say what is it? And maybe you also having the small one. What is this? Tie. What is it? Tie. What is this? Tie. So today you had learned 4 new words, and those 4 new words are, what is this? Top. And what is this? Yes, tap. What is this? Teeth. What is it? Teeth. And say me the next one, the last one, tie. I am putting this also on the board. Okay, I am putting this also on the board. You can see it on the board. So now so many pictures are there on the board, isn't it? And the name of the picture is also written under that. Below that pictures, you can see the name of each picture is written below that picture. The name of each picture is written below that picture. Okay. All here one letter is there which is given in red color. All here one letter is given in red color. Which is that letter? You know? It is called T. What is it? T. It is T. And all these pictures starts with the same sound T. The name of the letter is T and the sound is T. What is the name of the letter? T. What is the sound of the letter? T. Okay. So all these pictures starts with the same sound T. Now I will just show you how to write the mama letter T and the small letter T. Okay, mama letter T and the baby letter T. You all wish to hear baby letter, isn't it? So please listen, I will show you how to write mama letter T and the baby letter T. Please listen to me. Okay, the mama letter T is written like this. Standing line and one sleeping line on top. Standing line and one sleeping line on top. And look here, the baby letter T, one standing line and there is a small curve. Okay, this standing line and there is a small curve and we have to put a sleeping line here. Okay, standing line, a small curve and put a sleeping line here. Okay, so this is how we write mama letter T and baby letter T. Once again, we all can write this. Okay, mama letter T, standing line, one sleeping line on top. Baby letter T, one standing line and a small curve below and a sleeping line somewhat in the center. Okay, these are the ways how we write the mama letter T and the baby letter T. Okay, and what is the sound of this? T. What is the sound of it? T. Now what you want to do is you want to just to go outside your house. There will be sand everywhere else, isn't it? If there is no sand, you ask your father or mother to bring some sand for you. Okay, then you write this mama T and the baby T in the sand. When you finish writing that, you just take your slate and try to write this two in your slate also. Are you ready? Okay, and there are some more words in the textbook. Okay, some more words in the textbook which is given in that yellow color. So that you just ask your mama or papa to read it for you. Okay, ask your papa or mama to read it for you. You don't want to learn anything by heart. You just want to identify the pictures, and also you want to learn the starting letter. So once again you tell me which letter we learned today. Yes, mama letter T and baby letter T. And what is the sound of it? T. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, very good. Then now you just open your textbook and just look all the pictures in it. Ready? We are going to wind up the class. Okay, so shall we sing the Twinkle Twinkle and close our class? Shall we close our class by singing this Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? Ready? Okay, sing with me. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. See you next week. Assalamu alaikum.